Alright, so I'm showing you my nail room before I go to the dollar store because this is what I have put together so far. And this is the closet with just, little odds and ends and some camera equipment and my practice hand that will be going into the next giveaway. Here is my drawer with this is the glitter acrylics and then the solid acrylic colors, and I have poly gels. I have clear and core and nudes. Here's nothing. Poly gels. Just a quick little show of what I got, and then we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and maybe the dollar store. This is the new diamond and fluffy thing that I got for pictures. So here's my drawer for nail tips and files, then just a junk drawer, and nothing is down below. There's the Beatles and Savvyland stuff that I have to review. Then here's my nail desk. And yes, 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 I'm so excited. So excited. I just can't hide it. No. Okay, anyways. Everything that I use at all times doing nails. Yeah. So I keep those really close to me. And that's it. And puppy doggy. She's always right there with me. Hey, best friend, what you doing? Hi. All right, say goodbye to the old nail room. New old nail room. Old new. Whatever.
Okay, so I showed you what my nail room looked like before I really am doing anything to it. So I have a Dollar Tree haul, and then I can show you the other stuff that I got from like Walmart because there's not everything at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's get into it. And yeah, I'm not used to doing these videos, but I got something else to show you, and I wanted to show you what my nail room looks like when I'm done, when the vision for Dollar Tree Makeover comes together, and it's gonna be bomb. It's not going to be all the way done yet because obviously like I work and I can't do everything out of one paycheck, but my dreams are coming true. Like I'm back in the town that I'm from, so there's a bunch of people that already want their nails done, and I'm so but now I'm going to 5 days a week for work. I don't know how I'm supposed to make that work, but I'll make it work. So to the stuff. So I want like a unicorn theme for right now because it's cheap and I can do that from the Dollar Tree. But in the future, I'm going to do Nightmare Before Christmas. I want everything to be like dark and black and really creepy looking, and pumpkins and all the little kids. I found on Amazon this blanket that's like, oh, they got them for like 30 bucks, and there's like 4 different styles, and it's a throw, and it's got like Jack and Sally on it, and they got one with the kids in Jack and Sally. To the stuff though, that's gonna be in the future. I can't really afford that right now to make everything just one amazing theme. So right now we're sticking to like a Dollar Tree theme, what I can afford, but I still want my nail room to be cute, and it's gonna be, of course. So first thing I got from the Dollar Tree was this, and it says Dream. So you gotta read it backwards because my camera does it like flipped. So that means this side of my face is this side of my face. What does that mean? Yeah, kinda. Like, it's flip-flopping my face for you guys. So, yeah, this is my good side. Okay. I got this. And then I got these, which are Easter egg things, but they're seashells. And they're holographic seashells. Do you see? Do you see? They're holographic. And then I got these, which are wall decals. So this says believe in and then miracle time. And they got like, it's going to come together as like a unicorn and then the unicorn's head right here. And then these are the clouds that go around, and they're just wall decals, so I can peel them off whenever I want. I did it at my old house in the little area in my living room, between my living room and dining room. The area that I had with my nail desk, that wall that it was up against, I had decals all over it, and it's cute. I'm doing it again. And then I got this unicorn decal, so it'll have the eyes. Here's a picture, like it shows you a picture of what it's going to look like, all in all. This is what it will look like. So all together, it's gonna look like that. It's got the front and the back, and the Dollar Tree has these for just $1, so. And then I got these because I want, I'm going to put Beast at Nails with letters somewhere around here. Somewhere, I don't know. But this is like peelable borders. And I'm going to make like a little frame for it. And it's going to be like my own little, like, see, it's like a border. And I can make like a little frame around it. So that'd be cool. And then I got, of course, you need cleanup supplies. So I got the dustpan and the broom for all the nail dust because I don't have a dust extractor. I don't know if I'd want one though. Like, oh, they're so loud and obnoxious. I guess some of them aren't. I don't know. If you guys know of a cheap dust extractor from like AliExpress, maybe. Hold on a second. I gotta get a drink. So yeah, maybe if it's cheap. So I got, oh, those don't count. Ooh, I got some pretty headbands though from Walmart. Okay, that doesn't count. We're talking about the nail room, just the nail room. Then I got, oh yeah, the broom, and that is obviously for cleaning. I got a little one too, just for the table to wipe it off real quick. And okay, so I got these stands, and I need you to picture this right now, even though I'm going to show it to you once it's done. So I got this from the dollar store. I got it from like Dollar General or Family Dollar. It'll show on the sticker, I'm sure. If there's a sticker. I got this for like 18 bucks. And I wanted little tables to put stuff on, but Walmart had them for like 69 bucks. For those, you know those, the cubicles. They're like cubicles. And you can get them with like just 3, like a one stack of 3, or you can get like a wider one that's like 3 and 3, so it's got 9 squares in it, and you buy the little baskets that you insert, and just for like one small one with 4 squares, $69 at Walmart. Come on, Walmart. Like, that is like particle wood. Like, what? That's bullcrap. That's bullcrap. I remember when you could get those for like 30 bucks, and now everybody buys them because they're super simple and easy to decorate. Put whatever you want on, so they raise the price. Whatever, we're past that. So I got this from the Dollar Tree, and they're just little side stands and tables, but I'm going to use them for like, okay, so I got these at the Dollar Tree. This says, hello, beautiful. And then I got this from the Dollar Tree that says magical vibes. And then I got this really pretty, okay, so I put it together though. So I'm going to show it to you together, but I put it together. So like these flowers and this, I put them all together, and I'm going to put them on one. And I'm going to put those signs and these seashells across another one. And let's see, is there anything else here? This was only $18, and it's from, oh, Dollar General, I'm pretty sure is where I got it, but I can't tell you. It might have been a Family Dollar, I'm not sure. But they do carry stuff like this, and 18 bucks for 2 side tables is like such a good idea because they're not going to be getting used. They're literally just for decoration. Like, people are just going to look at them and be like, oh, how cute. Those are so cute. Yes, they are. Or cheap. Okay. So is that everything? Did I show you everything? Did I show you this? Oh, wait. This is for just duster because everything gets dusty. Your drill gets dusty. Your lamp gets dusty. Everything gets dusty. So I got this to just kind of dust it off real quick. Super cute. And then I got this, which is holographic, and it says, let the dreams come true. That is so happening. All because of me. Like, I did it myself. I worked so hard for this, and you know, it's 2021, and it's new year, new me, accepting the blessings, ready for change. I'm not going to stay stuck in a negative rut. I'm going to move past that. And this is what's coming together. And my house is so nice. Like, I love this place that I moved into. You guys, it's so much better than my old house. My old house had carpet, and I have a dog, so that means that the carpet just sucked everything in, including smells from like rainy days or whatever. Yeah, so, and it had like cream colored walls. This house is so nice. Like, it had dark baseboards, dark windows, dark wood around the windows, older windows, so it was like dark inside. Like, just felt so dreary all the time, and like so few windows. And this place has white walls, cream. Like, you see the back, that's the door, that's the baseboards in this house. The floors are all, you know, not wood floors, but the fake, the faux wood, whatever you would want to call it. They're really nice though. And yeah, new windows, like the light shines in. Let the light shine in. Yes. I'm so happy. Yes. So that is everything. And then I got like the Walmart generic Swiffer, this, because obviously I can't just sweep the dust up. I need to like be able to clean it up. So I got this, which is going to be great because of wood floors. So nice, right? And yeah, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So like 3 seconds from now, you're going to be seeing the finished product. No, not 3 seconds, because I want to tell you guys, I'm getting ready to record the claws and crime and claws. Yeah, so I'm going to get this together. I have to run out to the old house, grab the mattress, throw it out by the, because I did not bring the mattress. I wanted all new vibes, new energy. I'm not bringing negative energy into my new home. So I am getting rid of that, and I'm putting it out by the trash. I just didn't want to stick it out there because it was raining and the garbage wasn't coming until, you know, a certain day, and I couldn't stick it out there for days before. So I'm going to go out tonight, today, like right when I'm done doing this. I might not even get this all the way done. But as soon as I'm done doing that, I'm coming back here and getting ready to film for the claws and crime and claws. Yeah. That's everything. I mean, of course, I got the refills for the Walmart wet mop. So, and yeah. So I got the cleaning stuff, some decorations. It's gonna look cute so far. I wanted to get a shag rug. I really wanted to get a shag rug and put it in the middle of the floor. But they wanted a lot of money, and I really had to watch my budget. Like, I spent over $200, and I really shouldn't have. I took out that's gonna come out of my savings for vacation this year. I'm about ready. No, I won't even say that. Like, I've been joking to people like I was going to start a GoFundMe, like, you know, but hey. All right, I'm going to let you guys go, and you guys will see what the new room's going to look like. All right, guys. I got a little bit done. Okay. So this is the little area. Let's see, can I get, oh no, okay. So this is one stand, There's Alice. And then here's the second stand. Then you can stand back and see. This was the holographic mermaid or unicorn thing that says, "Let the dreams come true." My little, business sign. Believe in magic. Those flowers are so cute. It's nighttime, so it's really hard to see everything. And then you guys have already seen everything else. So, yeah. Oh yeah, there. And that should be it for now. This is the area that I'm super proud of right there. That's what got done, and there's going to be more to come. So, yeah.